People should care because this could be you. This is something that police agencies are now using to document and watch what you're doing, where you're going, without your consent.
I've got that on my phone right now of you taking that package.
Where is this place?
I just told you.
Thought that maybe there was something going on with a neighbor that he needed some help with.
Well, can I see this video?
If you go to court, you can. If you're going to deny it, I'm not going to extend you any courtesy.
Sergeant Jamie Milliman arrived uninvited at Chris Elser's door in Columbine Valley, Colorado, accusing her of package theft with footage he claimed was irrefutable. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution states, "The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated," a right ignored when Milliman used flock cameras and Ring doorbell video without warrant or verification. He interrogated Elser aggressively, claiming she drove through town 20 times that month despite her work-from-home life, then issued a summons based solely on unseen evidence he refused to show. This was not policing, it was intimidation enabled by unchecked surveillance tech.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Sergeant Jamie Milliman with the Columbine Valley Police Department.
Okay.
You know where Columbine Valley is?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay. We cover the town of Beaumar, about 50 feet down.
Okay.
You know why I'm here?
No.
Okay. You drive through the town of quite often?
Nope.
You don't?
No, I work from home.
Okay. You know we have cameras in that town and you can't get a breath of fresh air in or out of that place without us knowing, correct?
Okay.
Okay. Just as an example,
Okay.
you say you don't drive there, but you've been driven through, what, 20 times this month?
Probably my husband or I.
Okay, but this is you, right?
Both of us, yes. We
Okay.
both drive the same vehicle.
Okay, so you have no, you're going to stand by, you don't know why I'm here.
I do know.
Okay. There was a theft of a package from on Tuesday. Like I said, we have cameras everywhere in that town. You can't get a breath of fresh air in or out without us knowing.
Right.
You know the quality on the camera doorbell you have.
Yep.
I've got that on my phone right now of you taking that package.
Where is this place?
I just told you.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, I have you on camera.
Okay.
You taking a package and walking away. Is there any reason why you would have done that?
Nope.
Do you know anyone that lives on?
No.
Okay, well then I'll make this easy. Since you're just going to deny, I'm going to issue you a summons that you'll be showing up in court in Jefferson County.
Well, can I see this video?
If you go to court, you can. If you're going to deny it, I'm not going to extend you any courtesy. If you're going to lie to me, I'm not going to extend you any courtesy. I just told you what I have. You're going to deny it. You told me you weren't in the town of Beaumar. I have you roughly 20 times this month alone.
I wouldn't say I was in there. I drive through there, but don't drive through there that often.
You say you don't. You work from home. So I'm not going to argue with you. It'll all be on the summons. You will be showing up in Jefferson County Court, which is 100 Jefferson County Parkway in Golden, Colorado, on Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. I will give you a copy of this, and your court date will be set then. Any other information will be on the back of this. You will be getting this copy right here. Make sure it's all legible.
What day did this occur?
It occurred on Tuesday the 22nd. You were in town from 11:52 until 12:09 exactly. Like I said, nothing gets in or out of the town without us knowing.
11:52 a.m.?
Yes.
The second. See, I need my phone and all this crap to know what day it is.
I can show you. And here's when you left at 12:09. That's when you left town.
To get some...
No, to stop it.
Wait a minute.
And take a package. Well,
I need to find where this is. Yes, there is. I need to know where this is.
It doesn't matter. I'll be giving this all to you. If you're going to deny it to me,
yes,
I am not going to help you with any courtesy.
I'm just guaranteeing you, if there's any time driving through Beaumar, it would be from me going to work and coming home from work, and that is it.
It's not. It was when she went in at 11:52.
I think that's where I went to.
Driving the Rivian on Tuesday in the middle of the afternoon.
Oh, where is that racetrack? Tuesday. I wasn't.
So here is your copy.
Only time on Tuesday.
Kind of funny because we have cameras on our truck, so we can show you exactly where we were.
Well, I already know where you were.
Yeah.
I have it on camera. I have you on camera walking up, ringing the doorbell, taking the package, and literally running away. You on camera doing this.
That should be pretty easy because that didn't happen.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm like,
I've got it on camera. Okay.
okay, but
You know the quality of your camera, right? You can
Absolutely.
look it up.
And I also know the megapixel standards. I work in security and it doesn't know
Yeah.
it.
The megapixel on the new Ring cameras are unbelievable. It is her. It is 100%. It is locked in. There is zero doubt. I wouldn't have come here unless I was 100% sure. 100%. It is certain. It is on video. You're obviously welcome to go to.
Okay, by video evidence, you have the ring and you have my truck. And that is it.
Nope. Everybody in the town of Beaumont has a camera.
Oh, I don't doubt that, but
I'm just telling you. I know it's unbelievable to you. I guess that this is a shock to you.
Refused access to the alleged video, Milliman withholding it as punishment for her denials, Elser gathered her own proof.
It was something so small and trivial. I would love if the police department made that big of an effort over my package thefts.
I found on their website is that they help agencies do more with less. And that's exactly what they did here. I think it's an over-reliance on the surveillance system with no other evidence, and this small police department didn't want to spend any resources or time looking into the actual facts of the case and just charged an offense and figured we'll figure out what happened later. And that's not how it's supposed to work.
Rivian truck footage and Taylor shop recordings placing her far from the crime on October 22nd, 2024. The 14th Amendment guarantees due process of law, declaring that no state shall deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. A principle violated when Milliman charged her without investigation, leaving her under legal threat for weeks. She found next-door footage of the actual thief and submitted everything to police, who only voided the summons after her evidence offering no apology, only a terse, "nicely done." Her rights were restored not by justice, but by her own relentless defense.
But I am telling you, this is a lot. 100%, no doubt.
Okay, so it's 100% doubt a lock.
It's 100%, no doubt, a lot.
what was I wearing?
I'm sorry, but it's true.
What
I
was I
don't make
wearing?
these things up. So there is your summons.
Hey,
Like
get hold of our
I said,
attorney.
it is December 2nd at 8:30 in the morning at 100 Jefferson County Parkway. And obviously you are welcome to, well, you have to appear for this.
Well, and there's no way we can see this video or anything now.
If you go to court, you may.
Why can't we see it now?
Because you have not been honest with me, so I'm not going to extend you any courtesy of showing you a video when I don't need to.
But I can show you videos.
No, you cannot. I can show you.
Okay, show me then.
No, you're not being honest with
All right,
me.
we're getting our attorney. Call our attorney.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
Please do, because
I guarantee if you had this, that's fine.
You could show me right now.
Yes.
No, I could, but you could also
What am
be
I
honest
wearing?
with me.
What am I wearing?
You're wearing a white top and black pants. It's all on video. I'm not making this up. I have no reason.
I want to know where this red. Where?
This house.
I don't know. Where's
Why would I
my
pick
tail?
you?
Where's? Hold on. I want to check it.
You guys have a good afternoon.
Around noon. Okay.
No, it was exactly.
Worry was I kept being told that I have to wait until my court date 2 months from now and just show up and see what happens. That I couldn't get in touch with somebody and show them the evidence and say there's a huge misunderstanding.
This case reveals how surveillance tools like Flock and Ring empower small agencies to bypass due process, targeting women with presumption instead of proof. Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, color, or national origin in programs receiving federal financial assistance, extending principles to gender biases in policing, highlighting how Milliman's dismissal of Elser's defense reflects systemic bias in tech-driven enforcement. She was summoned to appear in Jefferson County Court on December 2nd, 2025, a date now voided, but the damage remains. Elser's ongoing legal pursuit demands accountability, policy reform, and an end to policing that charges first and investigates never. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.